Hello friends, I am Deepak and today we will discuss about importance of previous year's questions. So why do we need to go through previous year's questions paper? The first thing is we get the idea how UPSC frames the questions. Second, we get the idea how we can eliminate options. Third, we get previous year's questions being repeated every year. And fourth, we gain the confidence that we can to make to the mains. Okay friends, so for this purpose I chose one topic, and that is international organizations and conventions funds related to environment. Okay, so we will go through all previous years questions being asked on that topic, and we will find out what is the importance of doing this exercise. Okay, let's go. So friends, this would be our topic for today's lecture: international organizations, conventions, programs and funds related to environment. And we will look into the questions from 2008 till last year, that is 2016, and we will see the pattern how questions are being repeated over the period of time. Okay friends, let's start. So friends, the basic idea would be we will see the organizations and other things, and we will analyze. We will not discuss the everything given here. We will just see how questions are being repeated. Okay, so the first question is World Network of Biosphere Reserves, that is conducted by UNESCO. And now we will see how questions can be framed by UPSC. So they can ask how many biosphere reserves are there in India which has been recognized by UNESCO, and what are others programs and funds related to UNESCO. And second question is biodiversity hotspot. So they can ask what how many biodiversity hotspots in India and in Asia and the entire world, and who authorizes this biodiversity hotspot, that is Conservation International, and other programs related to Conservation International. So third is Clean Development Mechanism, that is related to UNFCCC and carbon credit. So I'm telling you this UNFCCC is very important because as I analyzed, over 9 questions has been asked in last 8 to 9 years. So it is very important. You must see all aspects of UNFCCC. Fourth is location of biodiversity hotspots in India. I told you they can ask like this. So again, it is being repeated in 2010. 5 is Ramsar sites. It is related to Ramsar Convention. And sixth is sustainable development. And seventh is UNFCCC again. Repeated Rio Summit. And eighth is criterion for recognitions of biodiversity hotspots. Again, it is being asked third time. 9 is carbon credit, again repeated. 10th is red data book, IUCN. So now we supposed to see what is red data book, and how many criterias are there, like vulnerable, critically endangered, and what are other programs related to IUCN, like Save Our Species and World Network of Protected Areas. There are other programs of IUCN. We supposed to look into these aspects as well. And number 11 is ecosystem services, and we supposed to know how many ecosystem services are there. And the Millennium Ecosystem Assessment, this is a UN related program which recognizes the ecosystem services. So this is also very important, and it has been asked in 2012 as you will see it. Okay friends, so Millennium Ecosystem Assessment is being asked in 2012. And at number 13, International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture. It is a treaty initiated by Food and Agriculture Organization. We supposed to see other programs of FAO. And at number 14 is UN Convention to combat desertification. We must look into the process of desertification and other conventions and programs related to desertification, and what India is doing in this particular to tackle this particular problem. So at number 15, World Heritage Convention, that is also a UNESCO program. At number 16, Arthar, that is awareness program of World Wildlife Fund, and now it has been renamed World Wide Fund for Nature. So we can see others programs run by WWF. At number 17 is Montrex record, that is part of Ramsar Convention, and it's being repeated. At number 18 is Global Environment Facility. So now we supposed to look into all aspects of Global Environment Facility, and in it the projects financed by Global Environment Facilities is also important. At number 19 is Wetland International. Number 20, BirdLife International. We would look into a program run by these organizations, such as BirdLife International runs key biodiversity areas. It recognizes these, so we can see all these aspects. Number 21, again the concept of biodiversity. At number 22, IUCN. If we knew all programs run by IUCN, we could have answered it. Number 23, sites as in 2015. 24, Montreal Protocol. So it was right answer in one questions, and there were other options like Kyoto Protocol and Nagoya Protocol. So Kyoto Protocol has been asked earlier. If we knew it, we could have answered it easily. And number 26, Nagoya Protocol. So it was an option of that questions in 2015, and it was asked in 2016. At number 27, Biocarbon Fund Initiative for Sustainable Forest Landscapes. So it is program of World Bank, and we supposed to look into others programs of World Bank which finances the environment related initiatives. At number 28, that is Forest Carbon Partnership Facility. It was asked in 2015. It's a RED Plus program, and RED Plus programs is a program of UNEP. So I also made one video series on UNEP and related programs to it. I will upload very soon. At number 29 is Green Climate Fund, that is part of UNFCCC, and it was asked in 15. At number 30 is the Rio Plus 20 UN Conference on Sustainable Development. At number 31, Intended Nationally Determined Contribution, that is also part of UNFCCC. So it was asked last year. So now we will focus what has been asked last year, so that we can have an idea, or there are chances that anything like one or two questions can be repeated. So if even we can solve one question out of this exercise, that would be highly beneficial for us. So I and DC we have discussed. You look into all these things. And at number 32, UN Convention to combat desertification, it's being repeated, so we'll look into this thing. Number 33, globally important agricultural heritage systems, it is program of FAO. So now I am telling you, now we know that is the GAS is the program of FAO. Now we see there are 2 or 3 heritage systems there are in India which has been recognized by FAO. So we will see those things also. At number 34, annex countries certified emissions reduction and CDM, that is related to Kyoto Protocol, that has been repeated. 35, Cartagena Protocol. 36, Nagoya Protocol. So see, even if they comes into option, we must know these things so that we can eliminate the wrong answer. 37, UN Red Plus, repeated. 38 greenhouse gas protocol. Now see, we know that it is program of World Business Council for Sustainable Development and World Resource Institute. We supposed to look into others programs of these organizations. At number 39, Agenda 29, that is UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio Summit 1992. It has been repeated. At 40, UNFCCC Paris Agreement, that is most important. We must know this thing, and it can be asked in mains also. At 41, International Solar Alliance, that was announced at Paris Climate Summit, so that is also very important. At 42, TEEB, the Economics of Ecosystem and Biodiversity, so that is very important program. So we are also supposed to look into the others angles and dimensions of this thing. So these were the questions. Now the idea is that we must analyze the every angle of questions being asked. Okay friends, so now at the end there are few things we supposed to remember. First things, questions can be directly asked from previous years, so we must revise these questions. Second things, questions can be framed on the topics which have been previously asked. So these topics, if we know, we can eliminate the wrong answers. At number 3, questions can be framed from the options given in the questions. Even if we don't know the options of previous years papers and we know some information about those, we can easily eliminate the wrong answer. Okay friends, so thank you for watching the video. If you find the video useful, then please like and share it. If you want video on any specific topic and also want to suggest how can we improve, then please comment in comment sections. And for more information and updates, like our FB page, that is facebook.com/Indian Aspirant Services. Thank you so much.